My name is Amber Scott. I am our VP of Customer Experience at Serta Simmons Bedding. We have Serta, Beautyrest, Tuft Needle, Simmons, so lots of mattress brands that you've probably heard of. Mattress is like a very tricky subject, and it's also something that feeds into your whole life. So when customers come to us, we're trying to just give them as much information and transparency about what they need as possible. When I started at Tuft Needle, which is one of the brands that SSB owns, but at this time it was independent, I started with them in 2015. We were already using Talkdesk. As an agent, I loved Talkdesk. Just to be so simple was just wonderful. Cut to now, we're part of SSB, and it was no question that we would go with Talkdesk. We were really, from the Tuft Needle side, able to kind of come in and talk about the partnership that Talkdesk had always been for us, like so accessible, always iterating, always improving. If we had a problem, we could get somebody on the phone. The experience they had had with the phone system they had been using, it just wasn't the same. So a couple of things that have really benefited Serta Simmons Bedding since we brought Talkdesk into the whole group is our B2B customer service team. Awesome. One of the things that was difficult for them with their previous phone system was metrics, and now it's at their fingertips. Being able to get that sentiment analysis or the call transcripts, even just like the call analytics. We weren't able to do that in the past, and so now with some of the flows we've been able to put in, some of the automation we've been able to put in, it's gave them time to really think like I'll actually be able to provide them such a better experience. A Beautyrest customer, for instance, we have some that might have purchased a mattress 20 years ago. It's really tricky for us to go back 20 years and figure out what the most comparable model will be now. We're really excited to be able to use AI to answer some of those complex questions. We've talked to some other AI providers just in our exploration, and sometimes it's like, is this really gonna solve problems? But I think Talkdesk, which kind of goes back to their roots, they stay very grounded in solving problems. That just means the world to us as we try to figure out this world of AI. That's gonna leave space for our customer experience teams, our professionals, to really think about that wow service.